Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Update tayo sa ating SB19. Ngayong October 26, 2024, Sabado, magkaroon ng event ang SB19 with Dunkin Donut, pasalubong ng bayan, mini concert at Thanksgiving ng SB19 6th anniversary celebration na kung saan magkaroon ng mini concert, kantahan at sayawan at meet and greet with 18 pasalubong ng bayan, Dunkin Donuts ngayong October 26, 2024, Saturday. Kaya abangan natin yan.
Yeah, I will always be a warrior. You can't stop me, you can't stop me now. Yeah, I will always be a warrior. You can't lock me, you can't lock me down.